Bethula Bandeni. Umfana kagama lo. And welcome to More Zion Music, a platform where we react to Zion music, Uktula, Hukwaba, and we break down the lyrics to try and get the message behind, we give positive feedback. Basically, it's a non-toxic Zion channel. What's up, bro? Yeah, it's another day. It's a beautiful Saturday, and in amazing salindile. Ukuthi amabandla drop imculo yabo. Well, so far I think I found out yini lebandla leli. Isithupha something something. Isithupha se something something. Enyonini something something. I don't know the name of. I can't say the name of the church. Zulu sang gop. But yeah, which is the video that will come right after this one because I just saw the video just now. So, namhlanje we are reacting to Galile in Christ, Umthembisile and True Worshippers Church of God. So I call it Bogumshat Galile, if you guys remember that. So until then, I'm still waiting for Mabandla to drop. I know they are going to drop. So before we get into a lot of things, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and make sure that you comment. The more you guys like my videos, the more my videos can get around. Share this to other people as well, and then also don't forget to give me a recommendation and whatever other platform you have, such as WhatsApp, Facebook, or Twitter. Please share it there. So without wasting you guys' time, let's just dive right into it. Listen, this is the type of energy I want to receive this from you guys this weekend. Yeah. Damn. Now it's crazy when churches come together, bro, and then they create this uniqueness. I uthembisile mina imandla wonke. No uthembisile. Angazi go to uthembisile. Homie stays true to. So ngiyabona ngathi Galile in Christ. I'm guessing it believers lame, right? And then True Worshippers, I don't know, it's somewhere because I the last I checked, believers had pink shirts, right? But I know if I was shy, ihembe pink, it just lab angeke libe green. Because I don't go shy hembe pink, marama just are blue. So I believers, definitely it has to be believers. Damn, no, another one. Now, mind you, the first part, Angmazu, but she's in the mix. Nyamuzwa kahle nje. Sfuto, nice and powerful. The alto is just giving. They are giving, but labantu when ulele. You must be out of your mind. You must be out of your mind. Yeah. You. Hey, Buffett, shut down. uyayibona ibhekha isemva kwalo sisi wase-Believers usemuva. Hayi ngiyakuzwa sisi, ngiyakuzwa. If ever you get a chance to see this video, I hope you do, because Nyaz right now njengoba ngishuta lento le for sure ikhane icala morning service, but anyway asikho lapho. Damn. And then you told me, you told me you don't want to get married this Zion. Are you out of your mind? I've never really attended like weddings of other religions as yet. I want to and I'm hoping to, but none of them have ever. Because now imagine, apart from a lot of things, and I'm a Christ. Dog, black people and music. I-sound system yonke le. Uphethe Twitter, uphethe bass, uphethe melody, uphethe rhythm. Music. Right? Now when you're singing bass, Twitter, first party, Becca, tenor, alto, sfoto. Oh my god. I mean leaders or. And then you tell me, when and you tell me, angifuna ukushada intombi yaseZion or angifuna ukushada insizwa yaseZion. Get out of here. Ilesi sidinga ukushaya. Uthini kimi wena? Hayi. This guy was getting married to a girl. I would love to meet him. Like, I'll tell him, you need to come here. Guess my reaction. Look, man. I don't know you. I don't know. I don't know. It's weird. But every time I see you in all the videos where amabandla bewaza eGalile ngomshado wakho, this guy was there smiling. Like his energy, bro. Like his energy. I'm looking at him. I'm like, yeah. And the thing is, Ezayoni, before about amabandla amaningi, we don't talk the way in one church or what could it together, bro. That's why when these people get married, it gets packed. Listen, packed, bruh. Full, like, oh my god. And ngifuna lo shaya first part. Ngifuna lo shaya first part. Ngifuna lo oshaya first part. Whom's are you? ushadile Zion. Ngiyabuza. Mina I know I will at some point. Hey, ngangibheka. Mina I know I will. Mina ngibuza wena njengoba wena ubukele mina. Ngiyakubuza. I'm getting closer to camera. Is you sure that you ain't gonna get married as Zion in now? Or do you want it in formal English? Oh my god. You know, one thing, guys, I've always lived by. One thing I've always lived by as a guy, I always said, feed your inner child, feed your spiritual self before into a new, right? I always say that. I always said there are things that are done by the physical to satisfy the spiritual. I understand. Ngilalela ukuthi ngithini before uthi manje uzokhuluma ngani. Right? There are things that you can do in the physical world that will benefit your spiritual world. Okay? You have to make sure that you take care of your spiritual you. There are things that you see isn't just fun my feelings, isn't just fun my emotions. All of those things are controlled by what you do on the physical outside of the world. Now, once you fix that, outside kuba easy. Because it's hard ukuthi kube kuhle on the outside, but on the inside, it's not giving. So that when you get to places and when you get to a point where God has to give you whatever it is that God has for you, uvesane aphake on a silver platter. Because why? The inside is okay. And all. Because why ngisho kanjalo? I'm listening to the song ukuthi uthembisile uminimandla wonke. Go minimandla. That word. Mhm. But in his promise, you have to ask. Remember, guys, God cannot be it's impossible. Right? Everything that happens to you, good or bad, you invite it. Consciously or subconsciously, intentional or unintentional, but either or. And then once you fix that, the rest is history. So, hey, guys, hey, this is hectic. So, hey, if you do like the content on this YouTube channel, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe to this YouTube channel, and please, guys, give me a recommendation and share this to other people so you're in your favorite place of the Jupiter. Adios.